going to take some videos for my monologue portrayal of Maria Clara. This video is going on behind scene of my dance. First thing is that I'm going to prepare my background so that I can have a nice background while taking some videos for my monologue. The materials that I am going to use are gold foil crepe paper, the printing rug, and flower wallpaper. So let's go! There you have it, my DIY background for monologue. Next, I'm going to prepare myself or get ready with me for my monologue portrayal. I'm going to put on some makeup to make my face less haggard because I have an oily face. So I'm going to cover it in makeup and fix my hair to make it look more vintage. Finally, I'm done preparing myself. So next, I'm going to take some videos for my monologue portrayal of Maria Clara. These are the results of my monologue portrayal of Maria Clara. Just take a look at my short monologue. Ako, si Maria Clara, isang dalagang may puso nag-aalab ng pagmamahal sa bayan. Sa aking dibdib ay humihiyaw ang tunay na diwa ng pagiging dalagang Pilipina, disente, maaalahanin at pagmamahal sa kapwa. Sa bawat kilos at tulaw ko, ipinapakita ko ang kababaeng may dignidad at tangal. Hindi ako nagpapadala sa hambog o kasakiman, bakos ay nagtataglay ako ng kagandahang may halong kababaang loob at pagiging makatao. Hindi lang ako basta huwaran lang, hindi pati na rin lang pagmamalasakit sa pamilya at pagiging mapagkanila sa mga mayaman. Ang aking puso puro ng pag-ibig sa bayan at handang ipagtanggol ang kanyang karangalan at damay. Sa bawat hapon, inilatana ko ang husay at karutan ng isang tunay na malakad. May delikadisa, may kabutihan, at may pagmamahal sa Diyos at sa kapwa. Ako ang simbolo ng tunay na diwata ng pagiging magandang buhay. Ako, si Maria Clara. I hope you enjoy watching me making monologue portrayal. And that's all for today's vlog. Thank you guys. Bye!